Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this Honest Dumplings. This is their Carnivore variety pack. I did a review of, this is pretty unique flavors. I did a review of their mushroom one, that was probably one of my favorites. And here is the ingredients if you guys want to read the pause of the video. So you have maple pork belly, traditional pork, and then ginger beef bites. So, which is actually kind of neat. I've never seen these flavors before, so I'm gonna open them up and do a quick taste test for you and cook them up. So here we go. Alrighty, let's see what we got in here. Ooh, check that out, guys. That's what they look like. So I'm gonna cook them up right now. Stay tuned. Alright, so these are the dumplings in the Carnivore pack, and I'm gonna do a quick review. I've just cooked them up. As you can see, they're still a little hot here, so we're going to do a quick taste test. Right here. There we go, there's one. That one's pretty good, actually. It tastes like sort of tastes like one of those flavored white buns, like chassis buns. So try this. Okay, that one's the ginger beef. It's got a lot of ginger taste to it. Here, let's see what this one is. Okay, so this one's your traditional pork. This one is the flavored one. Let me see what it says. Yeah, that one's the green wrapper is traditional pork, the ginger beef is the orange, and then the maple pork belly is this one. It sort of tastes like a white Asian chassis bun, basically. But other than that, it's pretty good. My favorite out of this bunch is probably the ginger beef. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.